Hi everybody, welcome back. This is Esther here. How are you all doing? I hope you are doing great. Yes, absolutely good. So in this video, we're going to be discussing the third main of exercise 2.2. Yeah, 2.2. And this is from the chapter 2, polynomials. Okay, previous video we discussed first and second main. If you haven't watched that, make sure to do so. Okay guys, cool. So now let's start with this exercise third main. So the third main is verify whether the following are the zeros of the polynomial indicated against them. This is quite a long main. So only the first two questions are displayed, and third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and all we will go. Okay. So the first one is P of x is equal to 3x plus 1. P of x is equal to 3x plus 1, and here our x is equal to minus 1 by 3. Remember to always make note of this sign. Okay, many of us we miss this sign and then we will get our answer wrong, so make sure to keep a good eye on this sign. Okay, now let's start then. So basically you need to substitute this value of x in this polynomial, and if your final answer is equal to 0, then we can say that what this x is equal to minus 1 by 3 is the 0 of this polynomial. Now let me tell you one important thing which you must do in your exam as well as when you're practicing. At least once in a way, try to practice writing the statement. When you have such questions such as verify whether the following are zeros of the polynomial indicated against them, you need to always have an introductory sentence like this. If x is equal to minus 1 by 3 is a zero of the given polynomial p of x is equal to 3x plus 1, then p of minus 1 by 3 should be 0. Always remember to have this introductory statement. So what does this mean? If x is equal to minus 1 by 3, that means when we substitute this value in p of x, okay, so if x is equal to minus 1 by 3 is a 0 of the given polynomial. If this is giving our final answer as 0, we will call it 0 of the polynomial, right? So that means if this is a 0 of the given polynomial, that is p of x is equal to 3x plus 1, then p of minus 1 by 3 should be 0. Very easy, right? Simple English this is. I hope it is clear. So always remember to write this statement, of course with the different values. According to the question, you need to change the values, but the main statement, I hope you all are able to understand, right? We have a concluding statement also, which we will do at the end. Okay, so now let's solve this. P of minus 1 by 3 is equal to 3 into minus 1 by 3 plus 1. So these two will get cancelled. Your answer is equal to 0. So now coming to your concluding statement, therefore x is equal to minus 1 by 3 is a 0 of the given polynomial. Or you can also write this. If x is, therefore x is equal to minus 1 by 3 is a 0 of this, you can write, or you can just write p of x. What is p of x? You're basically a polynomial, right? Yeah, so you can write that as well. Understood? Clear? I think this center part was very clear to you, but this starting and ending statement was a bit new to you, I understand. But try to cooperate. Now you have to write this in the exam for your own benefit, I'm telling. Okay, so the second one, let's start. Second one is p of x is equal to 5x minus 5, and x is equal to 4 by 5. So p of x, okay, before we do this again, for only for this problem I will write the statement. next problem onwards you can write. And by the way, while you're practicing, even if you don't do it in every sum, at least once in a way remember to practice this, okay? And in the exam, most of all in the exam, don't forget to write these statements, okay? That's why I say that you should keep practicing it on a regular interval. Anyways, so by heart this, okay? If x is equal to 4 by 5 is the 0 of the given polynomial p, that p of x is equal to 5x minus pi, then p of 4 by 5 should be 0. So now p of 4 by 5 is equal to 5 into 4 by 5 minus pi. These two will get cancelled. Your answer is 4 minus pi. Okay. So that means what? Your answer is not equal to 0. So therefore, x is equal to 4 by 5 is not a 0 of p of x. You need to write the reason also why it's not equal to the 0 of the polynomial. Basically, x is equal to 4 by 5 is not a 0 of p of x, because final answer or remainder, okay, you can just write final answer is not equal to 0. Okay, just write it as such. So this is your first and second part. Let's move to the third and fourth part. So third and fourth part, quickly I will do it for you. It's quite easy, right? Yeah, if you're finding any difficulty, let me know. Third one is p of x is equal to x square minus 1. X is equal to 1 and x is also equal to minus 1. So for both these values, we need to substitute and check whether it's a polynomial or not. So p of x is equal to okay, by x 1 we can write, yeah. First case is 1, right? P, so you can just write this as first. P of 1 is equal to 1 square minus 1, which is equal to 0. Second one is P of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 square minus 1. Minus 1 square is 1. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So therefore, x is equal to minus 1 and 1 are the zeros of the given polynomial. Are the zeros of P of x. So now moving on to the fourth one, p of x is equal to x plus 1 into x minus 2. First case is x is equal to minus 1. So p of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 plus 1 into minus 1 minus 2. This is equal to, these two will get cancelled, 0 into minus what is this, minus 3, right? So the answer will be equal to 0. So therefore x is equal to minus 1 is the 0 of p of x. Next is the second part, which is x is equal to 2. So p of 2 is equal to 2 plus 1 into 2 minus 2. So this is equal to 3 into 0. So this is equal to 0. So therefore x is equal to 2 is the 0 of p of x. Okay, if you're not able to see this last part of this sentence, I'm so sorry, but you heard me say the last sentence, right? That's enough. So this is the third and the fourth part. Let's move to the next one. So now it's the fifth part. P of x is equal to x square and x is equal to 0. So p of 0 is equal to 0 square. Hello, just because I'm not writing that introductory and the ending sentence, this introductory and ending sentence, just because I'm not writing, don't think that, oh, because she's not writing, therefore even I will not write in the exam. No, just to save time or to conserve time, I'm not writing, but it is a must and a compulsory to write it when you get headings or like mains as such. Okay, So P of 0 is equal to 0 square, which is nothing but 0. So therefore, this is very easy, right? X is equal to 0 is the 0 of P of X. 0 of P of X. Quite easy, right? Yeah. Sixth one is P of X is equal to Lx plus M. X is equal to minus M by L. Now P of minus M by L is equal to L into minus M by L plus M. These two will get cancelled, minus m plus m will get 0. So therefore x is equal to minus m by l is the 0 of the polynomial. And also remember to tell me in the comments below if I'm going too slow or too fast, or am I doing just fine. Let me know in the comments below, okay, so that I can improve on wherever wherever I'm not good at. Okay, so now the seventh one is P of x is equal to 3x square minus 1. First case is x is equal to minus 1 by root 3. Okay, so P of minus 1 by root 3 is equal to 3 into minus 1 by root 3 the whole square minus 1. Okay, so this is equal to 3 into minus 1 square is 1, correct? Now always remember, if a root number is squared, this will be equal to, these two will get cancelled, you will get 3 as the answer, the number itself basically. So 1 by 3 minus 1, these two will get cancelled, answer is 0. So therefore x is equal to minus 1 by root 3 is the 0 of P of x. Okay. Next is the eighth one, which is the last part of this main. Quite a long main, right? I know, but it's very simple. Okay, now P of x is equal to 2x plus 1. X is equal to 1 by 2. Now P of 1 by 2 is equal to 2 into 1 by 2 plus 1. These two will get cancelled. 1 plus 1 is equal to not 0, is not equal to 0, sorry, it is equal to 2. Okay. Oh, actually, you know what, I forgot to solve this part. I forgot to solve the second part. I'm so sorry. I will do it right here. Okay, so the second part of this main is continued here. I mean, this seventh part is continued here. So that is, the second part is x is equal to root 3. So P of, just a second. So P of 2 by root 3 is equal to 3 into 2 by root 3 the whole square minus 1. This is equal to 3 into 2 square is 4 by root 3 the whole square is 3 itself minus 1. These two will get cancelled. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So this is the answer of the second part, and this concludes our third main. Let's move on to the fourth main. And yes, of course, we need to write a concluding statement that therefore x is equal to 1 by 2 is the 0 of P of x. And here as well, same statement must be written here. Okay. Now let's move on to the fourth main. Fourth main is also interesting. Find the 0 of the polynomial in each of the following cases. In each of the following cases. So P of x is equal to x plus 5. P of x is equal to x plus 5. How we will find out? Come on, tell me. If you watch the introductory video of this exercise, you will definitely know. One method is trial method, by trying to find out x by substituting different numbers. Another method is equating P of x is equal to what number? What will come here? Yes, this will be equal to 0. We need to equate P of x to 0. So P of x, what is P of x? X plus 5 is equal to 0. Am I right? So what? X will be minus 5. So when you can verify by substituting the value here. Okay. So minus 5 plus 5 will be equal to 0. So they basically told to find the 0. You found out the 0, you can leave it here, or if you want to write a verifying step for your own convenience, you can of course do so. No problem. Okay. So P of x is equal to x minus 5. P of x is equal to 0, x minus 5 is equal to 0, x is equal to 5. Now next is the third one, which is P of x is equal to 2x plus 5. 2x plus 5 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 5 by 2. Next is the fourth one, which is P of x is equal to 3x minus 2. 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. So 3x is equal to 2, x is equal to 2 by 3. Next is the fifth one. Am I hurrying? Okay, I don't know if I'm actually hurrying, but this is quite an easy main. 3x is equal to 0, x is equal to 0 by 3. Now you tell me anything divided by 0, suppose 0 by 1, 0 by 2, 0 by even 1 million. Okay, I'm not writing the number here, but if let's say 0 divided by 1 million, is it going to bring a difference to our value of 0, or is it not going to bring a difference? Let me know. Let me know. Come on, tell me the answer. Pause this video right now and do that, and then what do you say, resume the video. Yeah, I hope you have written your answer in the comment section. So yes, the answer is x is equal to 0. Anything 0 by anything you bring here also, it will not bring a difference to the value of 0. 0 will remain as 0. So x is equal to 0. Clear? Now, okay, we have space here. Fine. 6 is P of x is equal to a x, comma, a does not equal to 0. Okay, ax, I mean p of x is equal to ax and a does not equal to 0. So ax is equal to 0, equated basically p of x is equal to 0, ax is equal to 0, x is equal to 0 by a, which is nothing but x is equal to 0. Again, same rule, same thing that happened here. So x is equal to 0, so p of x is equal to a into 0, which is equal to 0. So therefore, x is equal to 0. So this is a, again, you know what is this? This is a verification thing, verified. Sometimes they'll ask you verify whether this given thing is the 0 of the polynomial or not. Yeah, so the same thing which we saw in the third main, same thing. Okay, cool. Now let's move on to the seventh one. Seventh one is P of x is equal to Cx plus D. C is not equal to 0, but C and D are real numbers. C and D are real numbers. Should not be equal to 0. So let's see how to do this. Which part is this, by the way? Seventh one, right? Yeah. So seventh one, P of x is equal to 0, then Cx plus D is equal to 0. I'm so sorry, I'm shifting between screens. X is equal to minus D, and then this C also will go down. So this will be C here. So x is equal to minus D by C. Substitute this value, you will get the answer as 0 itself. Okay. So this is basically the seventh part of this exercise, of this fourth main, and this concludes our exercise 2.2. Hooray! I'm so happy we finished it up, and I hope likewise you are also happy. So in the next video, we'll be doing exercise 2.3 intro. It's going to be very interesting, guys, and I will see you all till then. Take care of yourselves. Thank you so much for spending your time here. Make sure to check out my channel for more content excluding mathematics. You'll find out much more content there, so make sure to do so. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you all. Bye bye for now. Guys, I just wanted to tell you one more thing. Don't leave this video just 1 minute. I told you that x is equal to 0 by 3 for the fourth main fifth part, right? So actually speaking, you need to write it as 0 by 3 itself, because when you write p of x is equal to 3x, 3 into 0 by 3, when you do, your answer will be 0. I agree that when you multiply 3 into 0 also, you will get 0, but actually x is equal to 0 by 3 is the right answer. Okay, so I'm so sorry I made a mistake there, but x is equal to 0 by 3 is the right one. Okay, you can write it like that also, or else you can again write it as 0 itself. In the sixth part also, same thing, you can write it as 0 by a, or if you want, you can still write it as 0. Okay, So I wanted to say that. So that's all. Now you can definitely leave. Bye bye.